everyone, today's special video is about Knup.
Knup?
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 Yes, you heard it right. Knup.
Oh, Knup.
Traditionally, people in Meghalaya,
Which is known as the wettest place on earth, use Knup, a head and body gear made out of bamboo.
during the rainy season,
Knup is made out of bamboo and other dried leaves like palm leaves. It is eco-friendly and it is made in many parts of the state.
especially when the rain is heavy and lasts for months.
There are many advantages of this traditional umbrella.
It is hand-free and hang from the head. This way, it makes it easier to walk or carry things.
Also, it does not only protect the head, but the body from torrential rain. And the best part is a Knup is pocket friendly for everyone.
They come in different sizes.
Big Knup,
Medium Knup,
and small Knup, also known as Knuprit. Not this one. Oh yeah, this one, which is only used to cover the head.
Many people buy the Knuprit for their decoration in their home, protecting us from the rain.
To traditional decors in our home, this is the story of the Knup. And that's it for today. See you!